Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the PivotBoss pre-market video for Monday, October 18th, 2021. I am Frank Ochoa, aka PivotBoss. For those of you in our premium trading room, you know that today we do begin our 5-day boot camp series. If you're not part of our premium trading room here, you can join for 50% off discount this month and get access to that training in addition to the room and also additional tools. If you go here to pivotboss.com and go to the news link here, you'll see right down here 5-day premium boot camp schedule. That schedule right here is listed today. We'll be discussing some new signals here we created in our room and how to scan and prospect for ideas for those, and we'll also be looking for real-time opportunities throughout the week as well. So you'll see the schedule right here throughout the rest of the week, beginning here today at 4 o'clock p.m. Central Time for day one MGR signal scans and prospecting. So again, if you want to jump in on this, you can get in for as little as $47.50. That's 50% off using coupon code coupon-50. That is case sensitive. Take a look at our pivotboss.com trial offer page and you'll learn more there. Alright, let's take a look at the charts here. Taking a look at the ES in the daily time frame, you see right here that we have indeed developed a higher low here recently in the previous week. We had a significant early decline followed by a rally to end the week. That's a pretty significant rejection on a weekly basis. And now through the previous month's high of 44.21s, at the moment, staying above that level would suggest more upside toward 45.50. The one key level here that continues to remain resistance, though, is just above. It's right in this area right here, about 44.85 to 44.70. That zone of resistance has been in play for a while here, and if price can't get through that area, perhaps we make a move back down toward 4,300. Maybe we make a move all the way back to the previous quarter's low. But right now, the fact that we are through that 44.21 suggests more near-term strength ahead, unless that level is taken out soon. Now, from a day perspective here, we do have a downtrending market so far in the intraday time frame. Lower highs, lower lows. VWAP is trending lower, and VPOC shifts have been downward. So this could put pressure on the downside a little bit more into the previous close. I think if we do get below the previous session's close, that could be an opportunity for bulls to step in and trap. All right, let's take a look here at the NQ. You'll see here with the NQ, very similar price action in that we had a higher low in the previous week after early weakness and then a strong finish to the week. Right now we have seen a bit of a failure at the previous high and a return back to two-day lows or very close to it. At the moment here we are building on these highs, and again the key level above is 15.2. That's 2-month midpoints there, and for the most part above that level will open up previous highs. There is the potential to see perhaps a shakeout leg. If we do see a shakeout leg down, you'd like to see price hold 14.8, 14.9, and then from there you may see some sort of rejection and go. So we'll see how we start the week, but if we do see a bit of early selling pressure, we want to see bulls come in and step in below the previous session's lows for a trap and a reversal. All right, let's take a look at crude oil. Here's crude, very, very bullish. From the strong pivot low here, 75s, we did get our 7-point move of 82s. The recent pullback was very shallow. We were looking for any dip below the 8-period average, and we're still kind of looking for that. Overall, the upside target we've had in play is 83.77. That's the key range 100% target from that impulse day. So 83.77 still that upside target. But any pullback inside the PEMA trigger zone, as we've seen this entire time, will still offer an opportunity to buy it for a continuation higher. Ultimately, to reach and fulfill the 100% key range target here, we'd have to go get that 86.03. So overall, we're still going to 86.03, and any pullback could provide an opportunity to buy ahead of that target. All right, let's take a look lastly at gold futures. You'll see here with gold, this one just has not been able to maintain any type of strength, any kind of push higher. It's met with either range bound action or selling pressure. This was a big day up right here, and it was mostly range bound for a long time. You got one more day up, a hold and a deep pullback. It's kind of like what we've seen before. After a big day up, you tend to see selling pressure that happens. So right now it's very reminiscent of what we've seen already. Something like this is very similar to what we're seeing over here right now. Again, 1760 remains that key pivot in this chart, that major market structure level. Staying above it, we stay above it and trade in a range here with some overhead resistance. But if we fail at that point, you open up 1720 with a shot at 1680 and below. All right, that is it for now. We'll see how this plays out heading into the rest of the session. Good luck, trade well, and I'll see you in the trading room. Take care.